Hi guys, what's going on? It's Teamstar here, and today I want to talk about a security issue I found in evasi0n7, and this is the English video of this, and I will create a German video with the same content soon. And yeah, I hope you read how evasi0n works or maybe watched my video about that. And there's one step in the installation process of evasi0n where it pushes the Cydia files and the base jailbreak system via AFC into a directory called evasi0n install, and basically it pushes one file called cydia.tar, and this is okay because it's needed for the jailbreak. And on the first boot with the evasi0n7 untethered binary, the binary checks if the directory exists, evasi0n install, it exists, and then it checks if there is a file called cydia.tar, and this file exists too, and if the file exists, this file gets extracted to root. And this is okay because you have to install the base jailbreak system somehow. The problem with this is that the evasi0n untether binary does try to check this directory on every boot. That means if you create a directory called evasi0n install, and in the directory you create a file called cydia.tar, this will get extracted on the next reboot. It will evasi0n will try to extract this file on every reboot. Of course, after it gets extracted once, this file gets removed. But if you create a new one, it gets extracted on the next reboot. And I think this is a pretty bad security hole. It's kind of designing mistake. And to demonstrate you that, I jailbroke my iPhone 4 with evasi0n. This is iOS 7.1 beta 3. It doesn't matter which iOS, the important thing is that it is iOS 7 and it's jailbroken with evasi0n. You can see I can open Cydia. The only thing I did here is update Cydia. I did not install anything at all. You can see my packets. This is the base system. Yeah, you see. And this is how my lock screen looks like. And I have the code running on my Mac, and the only thing I will do now is connect the phone to my Mac. It can even be locked, so I lock it. I just open the notification center because I hope that it won't lock then. And yeah, so basically this file is this device is locked. I can lock it. You can even have a passcode set. I just moving that it doesn't fall asleep, so the screen doesn't get black, and eventually this phone will reboot because of the code I'm executing on my computer. By the way, I will open source that code later on my JIT. And for demonstration, this code will not harm your device at all. This will just install iFile just to show you. But you can use this security hole to install anything you want. You can basically extract any file you want to the root file system of this phone. You can extract launch daemons that will allow you to execute code. You can install anything you want, backdoors, password sniffer and things like that, really bad things. And the worst is you don't need the passcode. You can set a passcode and this won't protect you. Yeah, like I said, for this demonstration I'm just installing iFile. On my JIT later I will open source the code and maybe also the archive to install OpenSSH, which obviously won't harm your device, but OpenSSH is a problem if someone installs it without you knowing about that and you don't change the default password, which is Alpine. then everyone can simply SSH to your phone with root access, and this is pretty bad. So you see, I have so you see now iFile appeared. It took a while, and yeah, but iFile appeared, and you can open up iFile and you can use iFile obviously because it's installed now. But if we open up Cydia, I try to make the brightness a bit higher so you can see something. So yeah, just wait for Cydia to load. If we search for iFile, then you see iFile is not installed, but it is obviously. So Cydia does not know that this package is installed, so you have no clue what's installed on your device using this method. You can install this, but I will cancel that. Just you see, Cydia thinks this package is not installed, but you see iFile is here and it's working. So this is the free copy, and yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. This is a pretty big security hole. Like I said, hopefully evasi0n will fix that soon. Please share this information to make clear that there's a problem, so people will be careful. But I won't just show you the hole. I will also provide you with a patch. So if you want to protect yourself, um, you don't have to wait until evasi0n does fix that. But you can add my repo, my Cydia repo. You see Teamster beta repo. I will put that in the video description, how you can add it. Add my repo, and the patch is exVasi0n patch. Here you can read basic information I gave you within this video, and simply click install and you're safe, you're protected. Thanks for Euroboro for helping me to create this patch, and share this information, stay safe, and I hope you enjoyed. See you.